type of thing you can't rush into.
Yeah.
Few bits.
You also don't want to sneeze while you're working on the eyelid, right?
Right. Have to. Yeah, that'd be a problem. No. Getting the nose just about right. I think it needs to be a little narrower through here. I want to get the bulk of it right before you start putting nostrils in and really defining the flare, nostril flare. Too much. So paint it into a corner. This knife is really nice for doing this kind of work. It's one of my own designs.
You made that?
Yeah. What's nice about it is it's double-edged, so instead of having to have two for different sides of the project, I can use the one. And the steel I used is 5160 spring steel, and it holds an edge really well.
Oh yeah, you know that kitchen knife of mine that I sharpened?
Uh-huh.
I feel like it already needs to be sharpened again.
Once you feel a sharp knife, it's like all those years using it. If you can avoid allowing things to be cut on plates,
yeah,
it'll last a lot longer.
No, I do use a cutting board.
Yeah. Well, it could be that it just needs a touch up, because sometimes when you sharpen a blade for the first time, I mean, really sharpen it, you get a really thin, sharp edge. That means it's also vulnerable.
Right.
So a light touch up, or even sometimes just a buffing with the strop, could be enough to bring it back up. Same thing with the chisels. You sharpen it, it cuts like crazy for a short while, and then you're like, starting to leave little streaks or something. And you go and hit it on the buffing wheel, and then all of a sudden it's just like, and it holds it longer.
Right.
It tends to curve the edge with a stronger cutting edge.
Come on, Jesse.
I'm actually raising her nose up a little bit. Pushing it up a bit. Give me more muzzle below it. I want to get the nose squared away, and then cut the little creases that come down on the side of the muzzle, and I'll just go out. I'll let her out the door. Bossy cat.